it's John from JC Consultancy. So here are my top 3 tips for the best CV. Tip 1, always have a photograph. Make sure it's a headshot, which is a photograph of your head and shoulders. Employers want to see people who are happy, approachable, and more importantly, positive. Plus, you can use the same photograph for your LinkedIn profile. Tip 2, your CV should be interesting but brief. No more than 2 pages maximum. Ensure it contains the main points about your story so far, your qualifications and your experience, but you don't need to include it all. You can elaborate more on that when you get to the interview. Tip 3, avoid spelling mistakes, bad grammar and complicated formats. Employers like to see clearly labelled sections on a CV, but remember, always have someone proofread. So if you want to learn more about writing the best CV for you, join us at our next workshop at Academic Bridge. See you there.